No, Mr. Chair.
Saan yun?
Yung meeting in CIDG office in
CIDG office?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Colonel Garmad, in the last hearing, you confirmed that indeed there's a meeting in the CIDG office. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. I met, pakilapit po.
Yes, Your Honor. That is where I met the warden, Your Honor.
Also, okay. So you met the warden in the CIDG office. Now, Colonel Leonardo. Colonel, this will be your last chance. Yung tatlo po, inamin na po ni Colonel Garma na nag-meeting kayo. In the statement of former Major Fortaleza, sinabi niya na po, yung tawagan, yung first visit, tapos yung statement that ayos na, may mga tao na dun sa loob. Now, in the last hearing, you deny it. Now, this will be your last in this committee to tell the truth. Do you confirm that indeed Superintendent Padilla has a meeting with you in the CIDG office? Kasi po, marami pa po tayong witnesses na lalabas din. Tsaka alam na po namin ang totoong pangyayari. Alam na po namin yung puzzle, tapos na po, as I've said, noong nakaraan pa. And that includes also the question that I asked you in the previous hearing with regards to your meeting, in which you evaded. In the first preliminary question that I asked you, you evaded to say and tell to this committee the place where the meeting happens. Now, again, Colonel Leonardo, do you confirm that indeed you have a meeting with Superintendent Padilla? Or else, I will force also to call somebody that will testify again.
No, Mr. Chair.
You deny.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
No meeting happens.
No meeting happened.
So these three witnesses and resource persons pointed to you that there is such a meeting happens, and you still denied.
Sir, as I previously...
Yes, I am just asking you.
no
You
meeting,
still denied.
No meeting, Mr. Chair.
With that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt former Colonel Leonardo for evading, lying in this committee in violation of Section 11 of our provision on contempt, paragraph C, Mr. Chairman. So move.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Commissioner Leonardo for violating Section 11, paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation of the 19th Congress, and it was duly seconded. Are there any objections?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congressman.
may I assist the person beside Colonel Leonardo? Yung sa kabila po, on the left side.
Mr. Chair, he's my counsel, Mr. Chair.
You're right. So you have entered your appearance here? When?
During the previous...
Previous hearing. So please, at the back of your client, and don't advise your client unless you will be recognized or allowed by the chairman.
So may we remind the councils of our resource persons to please comply with the rules, our ground rules. You may advise your client of his legal rights, but you may not coach them. Okay?
You sit at the back.
And may we ask the...
You sit at the back, attorney.
Can you please provide chairs for our lawyers or counsels of our resource persons? So, it was duly seconded. Are there any objections?
Mr. Chair, may I...
Hearing none,
Mr. Chairman.
the motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Colonel, I will allow you to speak. Let me just finish the ruling of the chair. The chair has ruled on the motion to cite Colonel Leonardo in contempt for violating Section 11, paragraph C of our Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation. So now I will allow Colonel Leonardo to speak. Is this in relation?
Chairman.
Is this?
Mr. Chairman, before we allow Colonel Leonardo, let me wait first for the second motion, Mr. Chairman, on his detention, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Okay. Is there any motion?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Akop.
may I respectfully move that Commissioner Leonardo be detained in the premises of this House until such time that the committee would have finished its committee report. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a
Second.
motion. There is a motion As stated, duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Colonel Leonardo is or will be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives. Okay, Colonel Leonardo, would you?
Mr. Chair, may I be allowed to, my lawyer, can I be allowed to confer with my lawyer and then later allow him to speak before this committee, Mr.
No,
Chair?
I'm sorry, Colonel Leonardo, but our rules does not allow counsels of our resource persons to speak in behalf of their client. What perhaps you can do is just you can write to the committee, and we will take note of your manifestation. Thank you. Yes, please proceed.
Mr. Chairman, actually, I just like to tell the council and Colonel Leonardo that you have also the right to make an appeal in this committee, but after this committee hearing. But of course, you can also say your piece, the latter part, but as the chairman stated, we do not allow counsel to speak for on behalf of their client. So you can make an appeal after this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. The parliamentary inquiry is that Congressman Paduano has the floor, and he was interpolating Colonel Leonardo. Would you like to proceed, Congressman Paduano?
Yes. Ito po, short na lang po. Again, let me follow up lang po yung mga tanong ko po ng previous hearing. I just want to test, of course, Colonel Garma. Anyway, Ms. Garma, your letter will be tackled on the latter part, no, in this committee hearing.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
thank you for once again stating that what you have said during the previous hearing, tinindigan mo po yung statement mo. Now, ma'am, during the previous hearing, I asked you about such meeting. That was June 28, 2015, 2016. That was 3 days before the former President Duterte assumed his office. And during the previous hearing, inamin na po ni Colonel Leonardo, but not telling what really happens. Well, in fact, he was evading during the time to tell where the place happens. Now, he stated, not you, but him stated that there's a meeting or gathering in the DPWH building in Davao. And in my data, at alam na po namin kung sino-sino yung nandun. Now, do you confirm, ma'am, that there is a meeting? For ito, specific, class 96 ang 97.
Mr. Chair, it's
In the second floor,
yes, Mr. Chair, it's a courtesy call somewhat. Yeah, it's
Or
like,
did you talk something about not war on drugs? Sabihin na natin, Davao template.
halo-halo kasi yung pinag-usapan
Ano,
namin,
tatanungin lang
Mr.
kita.
Chair. That
Did
is-
you discuss about Davao template? O, nandito si Patay. Grijaldo, nandito kayo. O, now, let me ask you once again. Is there a meeting and it was discussed about Davao template?
May I be
Yes,
allowed to
please.
ask? Kasi po, ang understanding ko kasi pag discussion, there's an in-depth na pag-uusap. Pero may napag-usapan po, but it's not in-depth. It's just passing, Mr. Chair.
What I'm saying is, ma'am, diretso lang po. Nag-usap ba kayo tungkol doon sa Davao template? Yes or no?
Napag-usapan din po. Mr.
Napag-usapan. Colonel Leonardo, napag-usapan niyo ba doon? Sa 96? Yung Davao template? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po ma-recall yung
Nako.
about template. Pero mga...
Anyway,
usap
yan
po
na naman
kami.
ha. Yan na naman. Okay. As of now, hindi ko tatanggapin yung reasoning mo, pero I will leave it to that. Now, Colonel Patay, you were there. Yes or no?
No, Mr. Chair.
You were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
In the second floor, you were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Sige. Chairman, let me put in record na tinanggi ni Colonel Patay na he was there. Colonel Grijaldo, are you present during the time? The first June 28, second floor of the DPWH building.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You were there.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, it was discussed about the Davao template?
No, Mr. Chair.
No?
Yes, sir.
Or now, so you contradict the statement of Ms. Garma na isa sa mga pinag-usapan doon? Colonel Gardo, you're under oath.
Yes, yes,
Baka
Mr. Chair.
maaga ka.
I could not confirm the statement of...
So, no. None.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala. O anong ginawa niyo lang doon sa loob ng kwarto?
We were there the time, Mr. Chair.
No, tinatanong ko, anong ginawa nyo? Kasi nakakahon kayo doon eh. Di ba? Ako kinukonfirm ba na 96, kaiba isang room, 97 sa kabilang room?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Again, Mr. Chairman, let it put in record that Colonel Biardo denied that there is a meeting that they will place the 96 and 97 in separate room. Now, Colonel Biardo, during that gathering, the President, former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa, former now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh, you cannot remember. Okay.
Mr.
Okay, you cannot remember. O, Colonel Patay, since you mentioned that you were not there, so wala. Wala kang alam.
Wala akong alam, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Colonel Leonardo, in that gathering is the President, former President, Colonel Bato, PNP Chief, now Senator Bato de la Rosa, and Senator Bongo, pumunta po doon sa room nyo. Yes or no?
Sir, ang naalala ko, nag-courtesy call po kami.
Hindi, tanong ko kung pumunta sa room nyo. Pumunta ba hindi?
Sa room na, kasi sir, naka-separate na room po.
Kaya nga, yung tinatanong ko sa room ng 96.
Ang alam ko
Kasi
po, sir,
nandun
lumabas po kami sa corridor. Then we met
the whole 96.
Senator Bongo during that time.
The whole 96.
Not the whole 96, there are some class 96, Mr. Chair.
Hindi nga, yung nandun na 96. Alam ko naman hindi lahat eh.
Yes po.
Oh, yes.
Nag-meet po kami doon sa corridor po.
O, pero nandun kayo sa isang room.
Lumabas po kami doon sa room na parang waiting area.
O, cubicle. Cubicle, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Parang
yes.
room siya. Na,
Okay.
Then
So,
lumabas
nandun
po
si Senator Bongo, Senator De La Rosa, and the President. Tama?
Hindi ko po ma-recall kung nandun si
Eh,
Senator Bongo.
may introduce ka pa nga isa eh. May introduce ka pa nga isa eh. Na, Mr. President, this is blah, blah, blah. You don't recall?
Actually, marami po akong
Nako.
pinakilala ko po yung mga classmates ko.
Tapos, sino pa?
Meron din po kaming hindi classmates.
Sino nga? O, you cannot recall?
Marami po.
Okay,
sir,
Mr. Chairman, dyan na muna. Hindi ko na muna ipitin si Colonel Leonardo to that question. Now, Colonel Galma, do you confirm that indeed, during that meeting, nandun, pumunta si General Bato, si Senator Bongo, and the President?
No, Mr. Chair, wala akong naalalang pumunta si General Bato at saka si Senator Bongo dun sa aming...
Sa room nyo?
Yes, wala pong pangyayaring ganun po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, anyway. Mukhang totoo yung sinasabi mo. No? But sa 96, nandun. But anyway, hindi pa naman tayo tapos dyan, Colonel Leonardo. But in the next hearing, Mr. Chairman, we will invite all those named listed during that allegedly in your account courtesy call. Kasi po, nakuha na po natin ng committee to lahat ng mga assignments. Yung mga nandun, di ba, pinakuha ko ng nakaraan since 2016 onward. O kaya nga nandito si Patay, nandito si Colonel Grijaldo. Ang next siguro, let us see sa next hearing. No? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, for now,